Today is Black Wednesday in Ghana as 8 persons, including 2 ministers, crashed in a helicopter which was on its way to an event which will help combat illegal mining, also known as Galamsey. The persons are as follows: the Honorable Minister for Defense, Dr. Edward Omaniboama; the Honorable Minister for Environment, Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Mutala Muhammad; Alhaji Muniru Muhammad, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator; Dr. Samuel Sapol, Vice Chairman for the NDC, who was also the former Ashanti Regional Minister; Mr. Samuel Abuaje, former parliamentary candidate for NDC at the Obuasi East constituency; Squadron Leader Peter Anala, who was the pilot; Chum Ampedu, Flying Officer; and Ernest Ado, Sergeant. We are making na chese ne nipa wotwe ana omoko dwumadi a ebeboa ama Ghana yetinya ko Galamsey do na fa ne illegal mining no omahwe omoko e military helicopter bi ana eji omonam na asem we esi wo adanse ya no ewo Obuasi party mo kire Ashanti Region Asante Mantemu na sa awe huseni na esi na nsem we esi nkofo bebre e kire omade wo hu nkofo bebre nso a react na me de ho nsem nyina ebro na ansa na mane nkam obi antise the President of the Republic, President John Dramani Mahama, will say for the next 3 days the country is mourning. All flags of the country should go half mast. You see, I mean, we can say flags are black stars square now. They are all half mast. That is now on matching at the above form. This way, it was signed by Felix Ofusu Kwache. On the signs, our press release here at the presidency at the above. Before we be videos are banned, they are appalling. Now, Anka, the President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, he was supposed to be present, but Honorable Omaniboama was there to represent the President because John Dramani Mahama chose to attend a church event. It is how we know, and a far or who sent me now and by. Now, who sent back was our own panel, Omaniboama, Emma make it dinner back home. Sergeant back on his room, and also Sumi Piamiana or why in check until in some day. Who send the bill. Events nana air costume. Assemble Aqua, Abetudra, or say, Honorable Amakufiboa, and can send on all helicopter Nindi. And can send Sami Genti, also helicopter Nindi. Or send President John Dramani Mahama, helicopter Nindi. And can send Interior Minister, Honorable Muntaka Mohammed, Asawasi MP, and also all helicopter Nindi. Nice and Canadian Council. And can they have a patching, said you see a tea. Maybe never Nigeria. Nigeria, Peter Obi, former presidential aspirant, Nigeria, or the Insembia Tuja, na Insemno say, na Osi Ekan, or say, on behalf of my family and the obedient family, I want to deeply extend my condolence to His Excellency President John Mahama and the great people of Ghana over the tragic loss of Honorable Minister Edward Buama, Honorable Minister Ibrahim Muhammad, and other public officials in the unfortunate helicopter crash today. This is a painful moment, not just for Ghana, but for all of us across the region who stand in solidarity with you. To the families of the bereaved, the people of Ghana, and the members of the armed forces, please accept my deepest sympathy and solidarity. May God comfort the families and the entire nation in this time of sorrow, and may the departed rest in peace. Amen. Peter Obi and the dancing with Tuja from Nigeria. Now, back Ghana Hyansoa and Kofu with the one summer Tuja. Mutinha friends a Sakodia. On also say, God rest their souls and strength to the families. Hashtag tragic. We in summer Mutinha friends a Sakodia and Tuja. Now, also about Nigeria, also Nigeria. Good luck, Jonathan, former president of Nigeria. Or say, I extend my deepest condolence to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the government and the people of Ghana, and the bereaved families on the tragic incident of the military helicopter crash that claimed the lives of Ghana's Minister of Defense, Edward Omaniboama, Minister of Environment, Ibrahim Mutala Muhammad, and other distinguished officers and citizens. They were committed public servants who gave their lives in service to their country. Their passing leaves a painful void in the hearts of many. I join you in paying tribute to their patriotism and the sacrifices they made for the peace, security, and progress of Ghana. I pray their legacy continues to inspire future generations of Ghanaian leaders. May God grant you, the affected families, and the people of Ghana the strength and fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. May the souls of the departed rest in perfect peace. We good luck, Jonathan, free Nigeria, former president, and the same way about Ghana Hanu say. Ghanaian dancehall artist, a friend says Boy, and so the message of condolence to ya. Now saying also Troy, or say fly away home, diligent servant of Mother Ghana, Minister for Environment, Science and Tech, Minister for Defense, former Ashanti Regional Minister, the pilot and other members involved in this gory crash. We and some Boy and so Eddie Atuga. The Ashanti Regional Minister, Honorable Frank Amakuhene, said, Sarah Hussein Yesin, Osiki permission, and I will free honor a call, scene. Yes, I will Nipan watch Ashley Monkwan. Now, we went there to retrieve the bodies. Reports out of the truth and it said, Makaku bodies, yes, I will be there. Omodi ebi ekoma omabusuafo na se ebi wona so omodi kokwa bia na omaye hihye yi
di ba hia na brega minister ne ba na okọ bia asem si ye no ya anti na brega minister na onam kuku ne ma ho ba na okọ bia asem no esi ye yeah Commissioner report. Yes.
We someone Ashanti Regional Minister say Edo Tuga. The one Ebus Eba updates Ebisu Aikoso. Investigation so Ebe Kofi in Ghana Armed Forces. They won't let this slack into no updates beyond Suba. The Nina Beba.